You ready? Go ahead and go. When you're ready, the jalapeno pepper, 600 skull units. 600,000 skull units. Put the whole thing in your mouth.
I can't. Oh, okay.
And then start chewing it.
Okay, fine.
Should I put this? Remove this?
Sure got it.
Is it hot?
Is it hot in
Okay, it's done now. Oh, wait.
You're supposed to leave it in your mouth for 30 seconds.
I didn't know. I'm sorry.
It's hot. It's hot.
Kevin, help me. Kevin,
What do
please.
you want me to do? What do you want me to do? I can't help you. There's nothing I can do. You just gotta ride it out.
How long does it take?
I don't know. Here, eat some bread.
It hurts.
Okay.
She's okay. She just gotta work her way through it.
I don't feel good.
You're not gonna feel good at all.
Come on.
Yeah, put your mouth.
I'm good now. I really am.
How hot was it?
Oh, my lips!
I told you.
Is it still coming back? It goes away, it comes back.
It's my lips that's making it.
You'll be okay, honey. You just keep. You'll be okay.
It's okay. I'm trying not to good.
My lips, though.
You're fine. You're not. Nothing happened to your lips. You just got. You got keep working through it.
You're not you but now?
Is it coming back?
Yes, why?
Whoa! There's been water all over everywhere.
Why'd you make me do that?
I didn't make you do it. I asked if you wanted to do it. You said yeah. So you know how hot those things can be.
I didn't know.
Careful.
When's it gonna be done?
About 5 minutes after you eat it.
Ah! And how long has it been?
Probably about 2.5 to 3 minutes. So it's been about 4 minutes. You're going to come up to the 5 minute mark. 5 minutes. Use ice in there if you want to use ice in your freezer.
You're retarded.
I'm retarded? Why am I retarded?
Be nice.
Kevin, what are you doing?
None of your business. Play your game or color.
I'm not coloring, I'm drawing.
This is evil.
Habanero peppers. Oh, that's so strong. You can just smell it. You don't have to put it up to your face. You can smell it.
Here, smell it.
You want some of that?
Don't eat it. What is it?
It's hot peppers.
Hot. Don't eat it.
Don't even give it to her.
Don't look at me. Look over them. Okay, this swelling is go well now.
Take the ball.
How you feeling? Is it better?
No, I thought I love hot sauce stuff. I'm never eating it again.
That's a hot pepper. That's the reason why. It's a lot more hotter than hot sauce. Hot peppers are the worst. Whoa. There's water everywhere. You try off with Asher. Eight minutes and 30 seconds. Ty, use the cup.
My lips burn, man. Why'd you make me do this?
I didn't make you do it.
Especially with chapped lips.
It's like one of the worst things you've ever ate.
Yeah. But I like that atomic hot sauce.
The tartar hot sauce ain't got nothing on this supposedly, so I don't know, because it's a sauce, and it kind of downgrades the spiciness.
Scientific while I'm in agony.
The ice on the floor. You're completely drenched.
I know. It's still hot. How come this is only lasted 5 minutes?
We're pushing 10 now. There's 10 minutes.
Like it?
Is the ice cream helping?
A little bit.
It's okay? You can eat that? It might be way spicy.
Brought you by Brad or Sara Lee cheesecake.
Are you peeking? Or are you coming down?
No.
What you know is if it's getting hotter and hotter and hotter.
My lips are getting hotter and hotter and hotter. More bread, man. More bread.
Ty, you're really scaring me. I don't know if I want to do this.
Butter's awesome.
Kevin, what are you doing?
Don't worry about what I'm doing. Worry about what you're doing.
Yeah, and don't pay no mind me, a person in pain.
Turn around, mind your business.
Yeah, okay.
You better not post this to YouTube. If any of my friends see this, I'm gonna die. I'm already dying.
You okay now?
Yeah, you want a kiss? Mwah.
Is it over? You getting one, okay? It's
Are you
okay.
feeling better
Are
now?
you having fun?
Are you feeling better now?
No.
Not this.
What? You want a kiss?
This stuff needs cleaned up, garbage
I will.
and stuff, so I can.
Kiss.
Ice cream and stuff need put away. No more after that, Ty, because I want you to eat some supper.